Ka podwantiere mane kaunti no Homa Bay eni mine maingo 2,500 koro no yudo kony mano kata sir e yor omenda mano kokalo kuom chenro no mong'ere kaka nyangreswa. Chenro no mabende tele kora ka jatend migawo mar omenda migosi John Mbadi kane oloso kora ka minego eko e seche mar nyasi makamano. Nyasi mabende no timore gwenge mag Singri West Suba mano e kaunti no Homa Bay. Migosi John Mbadi koro tocha oyango ni chenro makamano Kuto no kelo marno ni okonyo godo jogo ma ochando ka bende wichego ikono sir kod ka jotelo mamoko manani kode kamoting'o jatend kweth mathoth od bura mamalo migosi Kimani Ichung'wa ka bende jotelo go medo jiwo oganda mondo mikoro to chung' motegno kendo med siro piny owacho mar Kenya Kwanza.
I started this initiative long before. As a matter of fact, this initiative called Nyangreswa Women Empowerment, I started it early 2023. My aim of starting it was to give back to the women. From 2007, there is one constituency of voters in this constituency who have stood with me all the time, and that is the women votes. I have never lost the support of women in this constituency since I started my politics in 2007. I decided to give back, just to say thank you to these women. So today, we have 3 sub-locations here. Yatoto sub-location, we have Sumba West sub-location, and Nyamrisia sub-location. The 3 sub-locations, we have 2,431 women whom we are supporting today to be able to add more capital into their businesses.
When you are distributing the resources of Kenya, John Mbadi, begin from Suba to Homa Bay to the rest of the country. There is something people don't understand about broad-based. Yes. Broad-based is about equalizing Kenya. It is not about making any region to lose out. It is just about making sure every region feels part and parcel of this country. We are just saying no to marginalization. We are saying no to seclusion of other parts of the country. We are saying no to discrimination of other Kenyans as if they are lesser Kenyans. Mimi nataka kwanza niungane na ndugu yangu Aaron Cheruiyot. Amewaambia kama kuna njia ya kuunda kiongozi ambaye kesho atakuwa ni kiongozi wa Kenya, njia sio ingine ni hii ambayo mmepitia. Ukipiga darubini muangalie. Mwai Kibaki alikuwa waziri wa fedha, alikuwa hakuwa? Alikuwa.